Welcome to our YouTube video on Start Selling on Amazon for Beginners. If you're an online seller looking to expand your business and reach more customers, selling on Amazon can be a great way to achieve that. However, adding products to Amazon can be tricky if you don't have a product ID, such as a UPC or EIN. In this video, we'll show you how to add products on Amazon without a product ID using the GTIN exemption. We'll walk you through the steps, provide helpful tips and tricks, and share our own experiences to make the process as seamless as possible. So whether you're a new seller or an experienced one, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to add your products on Amazon and start selling to millions of customers worldwide. Let's get started. Step 1. Open an Amazon seller account. If you're looking to start selling on Amazon, the first thing you need to do is create an Amazon seller account. It's a simple process that takes only a few minutes to complete. First, you'll need to choose the type of account that best fits your needs, individual or professional. The individual account is suitable for those who plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month, while the professional account is for those who plan to sell more than 40 items per month. Once you've selected your account type, you'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and bank account details for payment. You'll also need to verify your identity by providing your phone number and entering a code sent to you by Amazon. After completing the registration process, you'll have access to your Amazon Seller Central dashboard where you can manage your account, list your products, and track your sales. Step 2. Get the GTIN exemption. GTIN stands for Global Trade Item Number and refers to a unique product ID that can be identified globally. Amazon requires this code to sell your products. The one-time cost for licensing a single GTIN is $30, with no annual renewal fee. So Amazon released the GTIN exemption, which means that you do not need a UPC for your item on Amazon. Now we are going to apply for the Amazon GTIN exemption. First, go to your Amazon Seller Central dashboard and navigate to the catalog, then click Add Product. You can choose from several options to list a product on Amazon's marketplace. We are adding a new product that is not listed on Amazon, so you have to click this link. In this window, you have to select the category of the product. You can simply type your product name, and it will automatically give some suggestions. Select the most relevant product category. After that, you will be redirected to this page, where they ask for product identity information, such as the product name, brand, and product ID. If you don't have a registered brand name, you can check this box, and it will list your product as generic. The next is the product ID. Here, we are going to list the product name without a UPC or any other product ID, so mark the box I don't have a product ID. Once you click that, a link appears to apply for the GTIN exemption. Click this link, and it will redirect you to this page where you can apply for GTIN exemption. Select your product category. Next, enter your brand name. If you don't have a registered brand name, type generic as the brand name. I entered a generic and a brand name for this example, and then I clicked Check Eligibility. You are now ready to list products under a generic brand but have to apply for other brand names before GTIN exemption. Click the Add Product button, and you will automatically be redirected to the Add Product page. Proceed as we did before. Sometimes your previous listing will reverse, so you can use that directly. Now they are not required to have any product ID to list this product. Step 3. List a new product on Amazon. Now you have the approval to list a product without GTIN barcodes. Fill in all relevant fields with your product details. Under the Product Identity tab, you mainly have to add the product title and whether your product has variations. The next tab is Product Vital Info. In this section, you have to add the product description, bullet points that are displayed at the top of the product page, and the manufacturer's name. I have already prepared all the details, so I am going to add that information here. Describe your product and its features as much as you can. In the Offer tab, enter your product price, condition, whether it's new or used, and FBA or FBM. You can get more information about those two in this video. On the product details page, you can enter your product specifications. Some specifications need to be defined. I suggest filling in all the necessary fields. It will rank your product listing on the Amazon Marketplace. The next one is the Product Variation tab. If your product has any variations, like different colors or sizes, you can add those here. I don't have any of these, so I am not going to add anything here. You have to complete the Safety and Compliance tab and enter relevant information about your country of origin, warranty, and dangerous product regulations. In the Image tab, upload your product images. Amazon has several product image guidelines. You have to upload images that comply with those. I will include the link in the description. I suggest checking the article before listing a product on Amazon. Your main image should only show the product against a white background. The last tab is Shipping. In this tab, you have to include your product and package dimensions. You have to be careful about sizing if you use Amazon FBA because your Amazon fulfillment fees depend on your product dimensions. After filling in all the details, carefully check it again, and then click the Save and Finish button to complete your listing. Step 4. Review your Amazon listing. After that, your listing will be activated in 5 to 15 minutes. As you can see, our listing is activated. Currently, there are no items listed. Please check the full article in the video description. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please feel free to open a new thread on our MineX Tuts Tech Forum. We may be able to help you. Thank you for watching.